All right, in this lecture, we are going to create the relationship between the entities. So to do that, first of all, we have to start with the product. So let's come to product. So this product, it is going to be belonging to a category. All right, so since one product will belong to category or many product will belong to category, so what we need to do is we have to create its own relationship. So to do that, you have to go to the terminal. So we are going to use that same command we are using for creating the entity. So say something Symfony Console make entity. So we are going to call the name of the entity, which is same product. All right, so just hit enter. So it says what? It says your entity already exists. So let's add some few fields. So we are now going to add some few fields. So the field we are going to add on this particular one is going to be category. So we'll type category. So when we type the category, you just hit enter. So this field type here, we are not going to just mention string, rather we will write the relationship. So that's going to be relation. So just hit enter. So which category is it going to be related to? So this is going to be related to category. All right, which entity is going to be related to? Is going to be related to category. So just type category like this. So hit enter. Next, we have many type of the relationship. So this particular one, we need ManyToOne because we can have many products for one category. So we say ManyToOne like this. All right. So when we do this, you just hit enter. So you can see, is the product category property allowed to be null? So do you want it to be null? So we can say we don't want it to be null actually. So it is not supposed to be null because product supposed to be uploaded with category. So let's say no. So next, do you want to add a new property to category so that you can access update? So you can just go with yes, no problem on this. So you can see now a new category will be added. The class is going to be the class so that you can access the related product object. All right, so this is now telling you that it's going to create a field inside your category entity, and the name is going to be product by default. So let's just go with it, product. Then next we have, do you want to automatically delete open product object remover? Just go with no. All right, then hit enter. So now we have created a relationship between the product and category, and that's the only field that we want to add for now. So just hit enter. So that's the product and category relationship. Next, we are going to create another relationship, which is going to be cart between order and cart history. All right, so now to do that, what we need to do is we have to go to the cart history. There's a cart history here. So I'm going to clear this. So we use that same command, which is make entity. Then the name of the entity will also be that same thing, which is cart history. So we are just going to edit it. So on this particular one, we're going to add another field. We'll call it order. Okay, it's already a reserved word. All right, order is already a reserved word. So let's use another name. So we can say, let's say product order like this. All right, so just hit enter. So this is going to be relation, and the relation is we can have many orders inside one cart history. All right, so we are going to target the ManyToOne. So we are going to relate to order class, that is the entity. Hit enter. So the relationship type is also going to be ManyToOne. ManyToOne like this. Then is the cart history property allowed to be null? So no. All right, so we have to let it be no. Then next, do you want to add new property? Here you can go to yes on this. Then the name, that is how it is going to appear in the order order table. So we can allow it to be the order history, right? The way it is like this. So we can just go with no cart history actually. So we can just go with that name. Then here you say no. So we have now made changes to this. All right, so that is all about the changes that we have just made now. So the relationship is created successfully. So these are the current relationship we need. If there is more, we can add later. So let's just hit this, then we are done with this relationship creation between the cart and orders. All right, so that is all about the relationship that we are going to create for now. So here we have come to the end of this lecture. See you in the next lecture.